Okay, so I've been obsessed with these lately, Royal Jujubes. Seriously, my snack game has totally changed. They're Australian grown, pesticide free, and just so good. Like naturally sweet and delicious. This is the jujube fruit, and it's basically a superfruit. And get this, if you're looking for better sleep, Jujube's known for its relaxing properties. It's been a game changer for me. Plus, I've noticed a real difference in my focus. Basically, it's a win-win-win. You can find Royal Jujube at Costco and Woolworths. Seriously, go try them.